What if I told you that a digital image could sell for millions of dollars? Sounds crazy, right? But welcome to the world of NFTs, where digital art, music, and even tweets can fetch staggering prices. Imagine you have a one-of-a-kind baseball card. You just can't swipe it for another card of equal value because it's unique. That's what makes NFTs special. They are unique digital assets that exist on a blockchain, a secure and decentralized digital ledger. NFTs can represent anything digital: artworks, music, videos, even tweets. What makes them valuable is their scarcity. Just like how a famous painting can only have one original, an NFT can only have one owner at a time, even if the digital file itself can be copied endlessly. This concept of ownership is what has sparked the current frenzy around NFTs. Why do some NFTs sell for millions? The answer lies on a mix of factors. NFTs introduce a sense of scarcity in the digital world. When you buy an NFT, you are not just buying an image, you are buying the ownership of that image. This ownership is verified on the blockchain, making it a permanent record. Some NFTs have become cultural phenomena. For instance, digital artist Beeple sold an NFT for a jaw-dropping $69 million. This sale wasn't just about the art, it was about being the part of a groundbreaking moment in digital history. Many people see NFTs as an investment opportunity. Just like traditional art collecting, buyers hope that the value of their NFTs will increase over time. This speculative nature has led to some outrageous prices. Some NFTs come with perks like access to exclusive content or membership in a community. For example, owning a Bored Ape NFT gives you access to special events and merchandise, which adds intrinsic value beyond just the digital image. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The NFT market has seen its fair share of ups and downs. After a massive surge in popularity, prices have fluctuated dramatically, leading some to question whether NFTs are a bubble waiting to burst. Just like stocks, the NFT market can be unpredictable. Prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next, making it a risky investment. Critics argue that many NFTs are overhyped and that their long-term value is uncertain. Some liken the craze to past bubbles, like the dot-com bubble or Beanie Babies. What does the future hold for NFTs? While there are certainly risks, the potential for innovation and new forms of digital ownership is exciting. As technology evolves, we may see even more applications for NFTs beyond art, like real estate and intellectual property. Whether you see NFTs as a revolutionary development or a speculative bubble, one thing is clear: they have captured the imagination of millions and are reshaping how we think about ownership in the digital age. High-end fashion brands are exploring the use of NFTs to create digital twins of physical products or limited edition virtual garments. This could open up new avenues for luxury brands to engage with their customers and create scarcity in the digital realm. NFTs could potentially be used to represent fractional ownership of physical or virtual real estate, making it easier to buy, sell, and trade properties. This could lead to more liquidity in the real estate market and democratize access to property investments. NFTs are already being used in the gaming industry to create unique in-game assets, such as virtual land, weapons, or characters. As games become more decentralized and blockchain-based, NFTs could revolutionize the way we own and trade digital items within games. What do you think? Are NFTs the future of art and ownership, or just a passing trend? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the digital world.